back to the channel. In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to use a Walmart gift card in a store in 2025. Super simple, whether you got a physical card or a gift on your phone. Let's jump right in. If you got a physical Walmart gift card, all you need to do is head to any Walmart store, pick your items, and at the checkout, hand the gift card to the cashier just like a debit card. They will scan it, and the amount will be deducted from your card balance. Now, if you have a digital Walmart gift card, here's what to do. Open your email or Walmart app and pull up the barcode or a gift card number and the PIN. At the register, let the cashier know you'll be using the gift card. They will scan the barcode from your phone or manually enter the details. For self checkout, it's the same. Just choose gift card as your payment method. Then either scan your physical card or enter your digital card number and a PIN. Make sure to check your remaining balance before shopping. You can do it easily at walmart.com/gift cards or in the Walmart app. And that's it. Fast, easy, and no need extra apps for setups. Your Walmart card works just like a cash-in in a Walmart store. If this got you help, go ahead and hit the like button, share your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more easy shopping tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.